How the f did you get here so fast?
You know I can teleport, right?
Okay, I'm gonna test the distance relativization. That's a wall. Ow. Get out of my room, I'm playing Minecraft. Diddy. But is it double glazed?
Is it double glazed?
Is it double glazed?
Yeah,
You're still flamming.
still flammable.
You're still flamming. You're still...
Yeah, see?
It's too big. Wait, do it again?
Okay, just practice it. Hey, look.
Nice.
Yes.
Can I get a picture? It's understood.
Thank you, boss.
Two guys.
That's a robot. That's a robot.
That is General. Go ahead, brother.
It's not a roll. It might be cool. I got weight.
And that's the football schedule right here.
I don't know how to play this game.
Why are you playing my game? You should be playing your game.
I don't know how to play your game, Shadow.
Well, your game's a button masher.
Fuck you.
Oh, great, I got it. Right as soon as I hit the button. Dang, Zander. Action. Nope. You got it? All right, try again. And...
I shitted.
Action. I don't know this guy, I swear.